Hey there mga my love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading na to, our content would be, let's take a look at what do they want from you. So you could be wanting to know someone's thoughts or feelings about you, yung iniisip mo right now, the person on your mind, or this someone that you want to know about right here. You may focus on thinking about them before we start this reading, yeah? So, Scorpio, this is timeless at wala tayong gender here and syempre pwede magkapalit-palit dito yung roles. So tingnan natin, no, what are their true feelings for you? What are their true intentions? And what do they want from you? So yeah, let's see. Spirits and angel guides, let's angel Michael. Can you please show me? This is for Scorpio. What does this person wants from Scorpio, please? What does this person wants from Scorpio? What are their true feelings and intention? This is for Scorpio. Who is this person? This is for Scorpio. I saw the sun. So this person wants to make you happy right here, or this person wants you to have this beautiful life. This person wants you to have this um, parang clear about something, yung parang ayaw niya na parang naguguluhan ka, ayaw niya rito na napupunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na mahirap for you. So yeah, this person could be someone here that is giving out love for you guys. So let's find out sino ba to kasi maaari kasi itong love partnership. Pwede rin naman na friendship. And for others, maaari naman ito yung family member mo rito. So let's see. So yeah, you could be moving on right now. Kaya gusto ka niyang maging masaya rito. See, you have a lot of demons around you. Yan, no? Marami rito mga babes, no, na pwedeng nagpipigil rito, no. Kaya, alam nyo kasi, sometimes, no, kaya nahihirapan tayo mag-move on from the things na hindi na nagiging beneficial to us because of unhealthy attachment. At ito nga yung mga monsters na ito, no? So, these are the unhealthy attachments, no? Kasi, super kang nasanay na ginagawa mo yung bagay na yon or yung sitwasyon na yon with this person right here. Kasi, na-attach ka ng sobra, naging valuable yun sa'yo, very sentimental sa'yo, yun, Scorpio, no? But, you're moving towards the calmer water kasi you want to have peace. Maybe this is you, you're taking too long to move forward right here and this other energy wants you to be happy, na makamove on ka na sa life mo, na makamtan mo na yung healing, na talagang makuha mo na rito yung clarity. And I think you do. Nakukuha mo na ito. Kasi tingnan mo no, ang dami ng monster, pero your face looks determined. You know, nakita ko ng determination sa yung face. You know, so this is you. Ayoko na magstay dito sa ganitong feelings and emotions. Kailangan makalabas na ako dito sa darkness na ito. I'm moving out. Yan. No? So let's see. Basta galing ka sa isang toxic, malabagyo na sitwasyon, hindi lang about love and relationship. Yan. No? So kaya pala gusto kong pasayahin no, ng someone na ito kasi nakikita niya na dumaan ka no, sa matinding pagsubok sa life mo recently. So yeah, in whatever situation it is. So yeah, Page of Swords energy, this could be the energy of someone new right here. So yeah, this could be a friend. This could be someone that you recently nakilala lang, no? But this person could be wanting this happiness for you. For others, this could be not someone new or not so new to you. Pero pwede mga babes, no, nasa life mo na to, no, dati pa, pero pwedeng may napo-form rito na interest, no, na pwedeng hindi niya pa ito na mamalayan. Yun na nakukuha ko rito. So, maaaring hindi pa nabubuo rito, okay, yung feelings and emotions dito, but definitely may nakikita tayong napo-form rito. So, someone here wants you to be happy kasi maaaring alam niya yung kwento ng life mo rito, no? So, this person could not be awakened pa dito sa connection na ito of how this emotion is gonna evolve right here. So yeah, this person is wanting you to come out from that darkness. This person supports you, cheers you up. Yan, no, maaaring friend mo na ito ngayon, or this person is bago pa lang sa life mo, bagong kakilala, yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, this person is actually, pwedeng siya rin yung gumagawa ng paraan para makamove on ka, no? Kasi gusto niya maging happy ka eh. So, pwedeng kung alam niya yung mga maliliit na detalye na nagpapasaya sa'yo, no? If, for example, no, makakain ka lang ng banana bread, no? Happy ka na, no? Ginagawa niya yun. Bibili siya ng banana cake, no? Tapos bibigay niya sa'yo, no? Sa convenience store, kahit saan, no? Magpapadeliver siya, yan, no? This person is doing some kind of little things to you, okay? But those little things matters, no? Those little thing matters to you. Yan, no? Uplifts your soul, uplifts your spirit, and nakakalimutan mo pansamantala na may pinagdadaanan ka pala. So yeah, this person is actually concerned to you. And mukhang di rin niya alam na parang siya, hindi niya alam no, na parang may something, may namumuo rito. Okay? And I think it's definitely love. Kasi, tinan mo yung pinakamalaki rito, no, na flask. Okay? It's like experimentation right here. See, there's like a color of flame right here. And what I love about is that there's gold and green in there. So it looks like there's something here. Okay? Maaring hindi pa na-awaken itong person na to, no? But I'm getting that manifestation is gonna happen here. So it looks like pwedeng may minamanifest siyang person pero hindi niya pa pala alam na ikaw na pala yun. Yeah, so this person could be manifesting an ideal partner, and it looks like, no, na marireveal yun sa kanya as days pass by. So yeah, see, Nine of Wands energy, ang happiness mo ay happiness din niya. At kapag ka nakalabas ka mga babes, no, dyan sa darkness na yun, at naging happy ka at unti-unti ka na ritong lumakas at lumigaya rito, Scorpio, no, yun din yung magiging source ng happiness mo. Gusto niya lang maging malaya ka rito. Yan, no? So, I'm seeing na mangyayari yun, okay, dahil na rin sa tulong niya, dahil nakasuporta siya rito. Yung mga advice, mga sinasabi niya sa'yo, no, is something here that uplifts you, cheers you up. Yan, no? Kahit sabihin na natin, no, na ilang salita lang yun, na kaya mo yan, or sus, wala yun. Yung parang ganun, no? Yung mga salitaan niya, no? This person here is actually pushing you, yan, no? Towards the light. Yan. Na maging masaya ulit, makita yung mga bagay-bagay in a different perspective. I don't know why hiking and camping is standing out. So, pwedeng mahilig siya dun yung makit ng bundok, baka hiker siya, or baka siya yung parang favorite niya yung mountains, yan, no? Kaysa sa beach, yan, no? So, nakikita natin. So, maaring, okay, you're dealing with someone here na favorite niya yung mga mountains. Yan. Okay? So, yeah, maaaring makilala mo tong tao na to, no, sa work mo rito with this Eight of Coins energy. But I'm getting that this person right here will help you build something strong in you. Kung papansin mo, meron ditong armor right here, Scorpio, no? So itong tao na to, no, is makakadagdag sa confidence mo, no, na protektahan mo pa ang sarili mo, no, sa mga tao na darating sa life mo. Kumbaga parang this person will help you realize to protect yourself more from new connections that will come your way. Yeah. So, whoever this individual is, yes, alam niya hindi rin siya accepted doon kasi new energy siya or appearing here as new energy to some of you. But I'm getting that this person right here is actually helping you, okay, not to trust people, especially if they are having good smiles to you. Yeah, see? What does that mean? Yan, no? Yung wag kang basta magtiwala dahil lang nakangiti sila sa'yo, dahil lang mabait sila sa'yo, no? Okay, don't give too much meaning and do not attach to them. Yan, no? So yeah, this person is actually holding this kind of strong advices, no? Maybe this is someone here na marami na rin pinagdaanan sa life. Maybe this person right here for others of you could be younger by age. Okay? May age gap dito sa inyong dalawa but doesn't have to be applicable to all. But I'm getting that this person right here could be someone here na maano siya magsalita. May laman. Yan. May laman. So yeah, we have here the Three of Wands energy. So yeah, this person here is actually a new person. Paparating pa lamang sa buhay ng iba sa inyo. That's what I'm getting right here. But this person will adds up to your strength. 'Di ba? So this person's para mo siya ritong naging armor, naging support, naging alliance, naging kakampi, no? At nakikita ko na mag-e-evolve itong connection ninyo into something more from here. Because I'm sensing that this person is concerned sa'yo eh. Okay? At nakikita ko maaaring papunta ito sa love. That's what I'm picking up. So yeah, this is someone right here. So yeah, judgment. I'm picking up that this is you being uplifted right here from the bad past experiences that you've had before, and I'm picking up na napalaya ka doon with the help of this person right here. This is your judgment. This is your decision to accept this new person here into your life. Dahil makikita mo, no? Na magigain niya rito yung tiwala mo, pero hindi mo ibibigay sa kanya yung 100% mong tiwala. It's just that this person here got your back. It's just that this person here make you feel comfortable with him or her, not expecting anything from you. And you're gonna feel that. And you're gonna know that. That's what I'm picking up. So yeah, this is someone here, someone new, that energy. Yeah, see? Look at that. See? Sabi ko sa inyo, may paghawa kami dito, the lovers. We have the six cupids around you guys. So this is something here na tatamaan kayo. Tatamaan ka, tatamaan siya, no? At magkakaroon rito ng flame. So yeah, this is the experimentation, experimentation right here of the divine. So see, this is someone here that I'm getting that pwedeng literal na born with a silver spoon yan, or maganda yung kanya rito pamumuhay or trabaho, or yung life niya, no, is maayos, maalawan, pwedeng may kaya, no, at pwedeng literal na mayaman. So, this person right here, no, is your kapartner sa Cupid's arrow ni ito. So, whatever the case may be, Scorpio, I'm seeing that this energy here will be your companion, okay? This is a friend moving to lover situation. So, thank you so much, Scorpio. Sarang love in life. I know.